style. They got me overdrive. Fancy on a fast